Hey guys, so today is the last video of the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. So today is day 31. We finally made it to the end. I can't believe it. I had so much fun filming it. So for today's video, we're going to be doing kind of like a New Year's Eve kind of makeup look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want to really focus on the eyes again like we did in the Christmas Eve makeup look. So I'm going to start again with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. So I'm first going to prime the eyes. I'm going to take my Jafra all-in-one mattifying face primer to prime the eyes. Then I like to take my Jafra cream concealer in light and go on the lids. And I'm also going to set the lids with my Benign Fair translucent powder. Okay, we are going to take, 24/7. We are going to apply this on the lids. Next, I'm going to go into Mocha and diffuse the crease a little bit. Then with a different brush, I'm going to take Silk Cream and kind of diffuse it a little bit more, but I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush to do that. Okay, to amp it up a little bit more, I'm going to take, Queen in the palette, and I'm going to use my finger to apply it actually. I'm just going to apply this right in the middle of 24/7. I'm going to take my Morphe M453 brush and kind of blend where the colors meet a bit. Okay, we are going to quickly put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to apply my Jafra Matte foundation in Muslin. I already did my brows and my face primer off camera, and then use my Nisa Beauty Pinnacle foundation brush. Okay, next I'm going to take my Jafra cream concealer in light. Apply this to the under eye area. Any blemishes. I'm gonna blend it with my finger. Now I'm going to take my Honest Beauty cream blush in Coral Peach. To apply it, I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush brush. Okay, to set the makeup, I'm going to use the same powder that we set the eyes with. I'm going to take my Morphe small powder brush and just set the under eye area first. Okay, and then with a bigger brush, I'm going to set on the outsides of the face. I'm going to take the Jafra Luxury lipstick in beige chiffon. And on top of that, I'm going to take the Jafra Royal Plumping Lip Jelly in Sugar and Spice. But I'm going to wait for this to dry down a little bit. that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this series that I'm doing for the entire month of December. I had so much fun filming it, and see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!